Good morning, students. Subject General Knowledge, lesson number 17 and 18, page number 23 and 25. Lesson number 17 are national festivals. Do you know, students, what are our national festivals? Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. These are our national festivals. We in India celebrate many festivals, but there are some festivals which are celebrated throughout India with the same spirit and deep feeling. These festivals are known as national festivals. These are Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Now we are going to learn about Republic Day. Okay. So Republic Day is a national holiday in India. Republic Day of India is celebrated on January 26 to mark the day when the Constitution of India came into effect. Do you know why do we celebrate Republic Day? India's Constitution came into effect on Republic Day, January 26, 1950. This date was chosen the anniversary of Purna Swaraj Day, which was held on January 26, 1930. So every year we celebrate Republic Day on January 26. The main festival is celebrated at Rajpath in New Delhi. The President of India hoists the national flag on this day. After this, there is a grand parade known as the Republic Day Parade, which starts from the Rashtrapati Bhavan and ends at the India Gate. Next, Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated annually on 15th August as a national holiday. Independence Day marks the end of British rule in 1947 and the establishment of a free and independent Indian nation. We celebrate Independence Day on August 15 every year. On this day, in 1947, India became free from the British rule. The main festival is celebrated at the Red Fort in Delhi. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort. The next is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is an event celebrated in India to mark the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. It is celebrated annually on 2 October and it is one of the 3 national holidays of India. The birthday of Mahatma Gandhi is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti on October 2 every year. People may homage to the father of the nation by offering flowers on his samadhi at Rajghat in New Delhi. Next, lesson number 18, famous people. There are many famous personalities in the world. Famous people are people who are well known throughout the world for what they have done. Now, we will see about some of the famous people. See the first picture. It is a picture of Xi Jinping. Okay, Xi Jinping. Xi Jinping is a Chinese politician and government official who served as President of China from 2013. He also held the position of General Secretary. Now the second picture is Emmanuel Macron. Emmanuel Macron is a French politician who has been President of France. The next picture is Vladimir Putin. He is a Russian politician and a former officer of the KGB who had served as President of Russia since 2012, previously holding the position from 1999 until 2008. He was also the Prime Minister of Russia from 1999 to 2000 and again from 2008 to 2012. The next picture is Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo is a Portuguese professional footballer who plays as a forward for Serie A club Juventus, captains the Portugal national team. The next picture is Alexander Graham Bell. He was a Scottish born inventor, scientist and engineer who is credited with inventing and patenting the first practical telephone. He also co-founded the American Telephone and Telegraph Company. The next picture is Donald Trump. He is the current president of the United States. Before entering politics, he was a businessman and television personality. The next picture is Antonio Guterres. He is a Portuguese politician and diplomat serving as the 9th Secretary General of the United Nations. A member of the Portuguese Socialist Party, he served as Prime Minister of Portugal from 1995 to 2002. The next picture is Narendra Modi. He is an Indian serving as the 14th and current Prime Minister of India since 2014. He was the Chief Minister of Gujarat from 2001 to 2014 and as is the Member of Parliament for Varanasi. Here is the information about our famous people. So, thank you students.